Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. Okay, so untuk video kali ini kita akan berbincang mengenai self practice 1.1D. So there are 3 questions in self practice 1.1D. So we will go through one by one for each question. Okay, so question 1. Okay, Lee fills a tank with water using a rubber hose at 8 a.m. Okay, and then 8:11 a.m. Lee discovers that the tank is filled with 48% of water. A. Write an equation that relates the volume of water V that is filled into the tank with the time taken T. Lepas tu B, okay, at what time will the tank be fully filled with water? Okay, so kita cuba yang pertama dulu, 1A, okay, write an equation that relates the volume of water, V, that is filled into the tank with the time taken, T. Okay, so before that, from the question, okay, di sini kita dapat tahu, okay, daripada pukul 8 sampai pukul 11, okay, tank itu diisi 48%. Okay, so kita tahu from 8 a.m. until 11 a.m. adalah berapa jam? 8, 9, 10, 11, 3 jam kan? So 3 jam, kita cuba buat 3 jam, 3 hours. Sekejap Okay, 3 hours. Okay, kita tahu dalam 3 hours dia boleh isi 48%. So 0.48 lah kan? Okay, sebab 48% kan? Okay, so kalau 1 jam berapa persen? So kita cuba divide by 3. So 1 hour, okay, dia boleh penuhkan sebanyak 0.16. Boleh 16% lah. Okay, so daripada sini kita boleh tulis, okay, V, okay, varies directly as the time. So V is equals to K T, where inilah K kita. So V is equals to 0.16 T. So settle the first question. Okay, the first part. Okay, next B. At what time will the tank be fully filled with water? Okay, so okay, kita tahu in 1 hour it can fill up 16%, betul? So kita tahu juga, kita cuba kecilkan, kalau 30 minutes, half an hour, dia boleh isi separuh kan? So half of 16 is 8%. Okay, kalau half of 30 minutes adalah 15 minutes, betul? So 15 minutes, half of 30 minutes, so half of 8% adalah 4%. Okay, ni kita kita tahulah dia punya kadaran kan, rates dia. Okay, so pukul berapa dia boleh isi penuh? Okay, so daripada soalan A tadi, kita ada V is equals to 0.16 T. Okay, then V is equals to, okay, kalau 0.16 kita ubah dalam pecahan, dapat berapa? So tekan 0.16, lepas tu tekan ABC tu, so kita akan dapat 4/25 kan? Okay, so okay, daripada bentuk ini, saya buat ni untuk mudah kita kira untuk part B. Okay, untuk situasi ini, okay, B dia kata fully filled with water. So maksud dia volume kita 100% kan? Penuh. Okay, So in order untuk kita buat ini menjadi 100, okay, saya buat macam ni So contoh ni darab 100%. Okay, so apa yang darab 100 dapat 100? So 1 lah kan? Contoh 1 darab 100 dapat 100. So di sini kita kena cuba buat dia menjadi 1. Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat dia jadi 1? So dia sebenarnya 4/25. Okay, T ini, okay, kita kena reciprocal kan. So kita reciprocal, kita dapat 25/4 times 100%. Okay, faham Kenapa kita buat T ini sebagai 25/4? Sebab kita nak bila dua ni didarab, dia akan dapat 1. Okay, 1 kita darab, kita nak cari percentage, so dia akan dapat 100%. Okay, so di kawasan ini kita darab, kita akan dapat 100. So di sini kita boleh katakan kalau kita nak full tank ini, kalau kita nak full tank, masa yang diperlukan adalah 25/4 jam. Okay, so awak cuba tekan kalkulator. Okay, so T is equals to 25/4, ni sama juga dengan 6.25 hours. Okay, di mana 6.25 sebenarnya adalah 6 hours 15 minutes. Okay, so pukul berapa, at what time, pukul berapa tangki itu akan penuh. So di sini tadi dia mula isi pada pukul berapa? Pukul 8 pagi kan. So dia akan penuh pada 6 jam 15 minit kemudian. So kita tambah je lah. Okay, so tulis time. The tank is filled with water. So buatlah, okay, 8 AM. So pukul 8 AM kita plus dengan 6 hours 6 point, kita buat macam ni lah, tambah okay, 8 pagi. Okay, 8 pagi tambahkan dengan 6 jam 15 minit. Okay, so dapat pukul berapa? So kita akan dapat pukul 2.15 minit petang. Okay, boleh So settle untuk soalan nombor 1. Okay, next let's look at number 2. Okay, Aminah wants to cut a few triangles from a piece of card. It is given that the area of the triangle cut, A centimeter square, varies directly as its base, X cm, and its height, Y cm. At the beginning, she cuts a triangle with A equals to 14, X equals to 7, and Y equals to 4. Write the relation between A with X and Y. Okay, so di sini from this question we know that A varies directly as its base. Di sini dia dah cakap kan. Okay, so kita tahu A ni adalah luas, betul tak? So contoh saya letak A lah. Okay, area varies directly as its base and its height. So ada dua kan, X, Y. So from this form, we need to change into equation form. So kita tukar, kita akan dapat A is equals to K X Y. Okay, so di sini kita kena cari nilai K dulu kan. Okay, so kita kena cari nilai K, kita gantikan menggunakan maklumat yang diberi ini. Okay, so area kita ada 14 is equals to K, where X is 7, Y is 4. So kira lah. Okay, so K is equals to 0.5. So di sini kita boleh tulis relation A is equals to 0.5x Y. Okay, settle A. Okay, next B. Saya buat yang baru. Okay, B. Okay, B pula. Okay, ni tadi kita dah tahu A is equals to 0.5xy. Okay, now B. Okay, Aminah plans to cut the second triangle with the value of base increased by 20% and the value of height decreased by 10%. what is the percentage of changes in the area for the second triangle? Okay, boleh Okay, so what can we do? So di sini kita nak cari area yang kedua. Okay, area yang kedua kita tak tahu berapa. Okay, so di sini dia kata let's look at the second triangle. Base dia, okay, base X kan. Okay, base X. So kita nak tahu base yang kedua. Okay, kita tulis B2. Okay, is equals to berapa base asal? 7 kan. So 7, tapi dia nak increase by 20%. So kita buatlah plus. So 20% from 7. Okay, press your calculator. Kita akan dapat 8.4. Okay, next dia kata ni pula height decrease by 10%. So kita tulis Y. Ini tadi saya buat X lah, senang bagi dia sekata, selari X. Okay, kalau Y pula Y2. Okay, Y2 tadi decrease kan. So original value kita 4, decrease, so tolak, decrease by how many percent? 10%. So 10 over 100 from original value is 4. Okay, so press your calculator, kita akan dapat 3.6. Okay, ni tadi 8.4. Okay, Y2 is 3.6. Okay, so kita boleh kira lah luas yang kedua. So A2. Okay, so kita tahu A2 sama juga dengan 0.5. X adalah 8.4. Y adalah 3.6. So press your calculator, kita akan dapat 15.12. Okay, itu adalah luas yang kedua. Okay, so sekarang soalan nak apa? Percentage of changes in area for the second triangle. Okay, so macam mana kita nak kira changes? Percentage of changes. Okay, kita nak kira, kita kiralah. Okay, area of second divide by area of the first one. Kita darab 100. Okay, sebab kita nak changes kan, so kita tolaklah dengan 100. Okay, so A2 kita dapat berapa tadi? A2 adalah 15.12 divide by area yang pertama apa? 14 kan. Okay, so cuba tekan calculator. 15.12 divide by 14. So kita dapat ni tadi times 100 Okay, so ni kita dapat 108. Okay, minus 100. Okay, so percentage perubahan dia adalah 8%. Okay, kenapa kita nak tolak 100 ni sir? Kenapa nak tolak 100? Sebab kita nak tahu beza dia. Sebab beza asal adalah 100%. So di sini dia membesar sampai 108%. So bila kita tolak dengan luas asal, kita tahulah perubahan percentage dia adalah 8%. Okay, boleh? Okay, next one, number 3. Okay, last one. Okay, a pizza shop sells 3 sizes of pizza at different prices, as shown in the diagram on the right. Does the price of pizza RMP vary directly as the surface area A centimeter square of the pizza? If it does not, which size of pizza is worth buying? Okay, so di sini kita ada 3 types of pizza. The first one, RM12 with 15 cm of diameter. And then we have the second one, 25 ringgit with 23 cm of diameter. And the last one is 35 ringgit of pizza with 30 cm of diameter. Okay, so from the question, okay, we want to check whether the price vary directly as the surface area. Okay, we want to check it. Okay, so we can write price is varies directly as the surface area. So over here we can change it into the equation form. P is equals to KA. Okay, now we want to check the K for each pizza. Okay, so for pizza, okay, we can make a table. Okay, so pizza 1, pizza 2, pizza 3. Okay, so we want to calculate the K. Okay, so we know that K is equals to P over A. So what is A? Okay, so K is equals to price over what is area of circles. So area of circles is pi r square. Okay, so remember that. So what is K for the first pizza? So we have 12 divided by pi. We can use 22 over 7 times r square, so radius, so 15 over 2 square. So press your calculator, you will get 0.07. Okay, for pizza 2, so we have the price is 25 divided by 22 over 7 times radius is 23 over 2 square. Press your calculator, you will get the value of 0.06. And for the last one, the third pizza, price is 35 divided by 22 over 7 times radius is 30 over 2 square. Press your calculator, you will get 0.05. So di sini kita boleh tengok K kita berbeza. K kita is not a constant. So if K is not a constant, we can say that P is not varies directly. Okay, so awak boleh tulis P is not varies directly. Okay, so kalau tak varies directly, so which one yang kita beli berbaloi? So kita boleh katakan luas macam inilah. Okay, didapati pizza berdiameter 30 cm, this one. Okay, mempunyai luas yang lebih daripada 2 lagi pizza kan. So we can say that the third pizza is more worth buying. So buat ayat lah. Okay, macam mana kita nak buat ayat? Okay, contoh it was found that the third pizza have larger area, hence it is most worth buying. Boleh? Okay, so that's it for 3 questions. Question 1, question 2 and question 3 for self-practice 1.1D. Okay, so that's it for this short session. So if you still have any problem, you can just ask your teacher. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much.